Guys, just thought I'd give you a little update on what we got going on. Sorry I didn't I was trying to get some videos done, but we were slammed this week, so just didn't have time. But I got the old first gen in the shop, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, probably seen that I got the engine back in her, got her running, so that's cool. But now B&I sold the turbo off of this, which was an S472 SXE, and I've replaced it with a S366 SXE. Just try to get it to spool a little bit. But then I'm also going to put compounds back on it. I didn't like the single. I don't know. I'm a compound guy. But anyways, so the setup will be 66 over an 88. Now this turbo is an S588 SXE, so it's a pretty good size turbo. Probably more turbo than I need, but I have it, so we'll put it on, try it. If I don't like it, I'll change it. But I was hoping to actually make up a video tomorrow of getting this setup built, but parts didn't show up. So that means that we won't be doing that. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick video, what I got going on. And I'll see about doing some other videos tomorrow maybe, and go from there. Thanks guys.